Good morning students. In this class we will be doing class 10 coordinate geometry exercise 7.2. So exercise 7.2 is based on section formula and midpoint formula. Okay, so in the previous class I have completed exercise 7.2. Now I will be doing extra sums on that exercise. So first sum is, if 3, 2, 4, 4 and 1, 3 are the midpoints of the triangle, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So what is given? Midpoint for the triangle is given. If you take ABC is a triangle, midpoints are given. You are asked to find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So this is D. D is given as 3, 2. E is given as 4, 4. And F is given as 1, 3. Okay, you take A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2 and C as x3, y3. Okay, so all these things you have to write. Let. Why? Because D, E, F and all they didn't give. So you are only naming it. So you have to write let the vertices of the triangle A be x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. Okay, D and D 3, 2, E 4, 4 and F 1, 3. All these things initially you have to write. Now directly I will be doing the sum using midpoint formula. So D is given as 3, 2. So D value is given as 3, 2. That is the midpoint of AB. So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So now I am equating these things. So X1 plus X2 by 2 is equal to 3. Similarly, Y1 plus Y2 by 2 is equal to 2. So this is 3 and this one is 2. Okay, so you can write it as x1 plus x2 is equal to, cross multiplying you'll get 6. Then this side you'll be getting y1 plus y2 is equal to 4. Okay, so this I am right. You take this as first equation and second equation. So I will be writing it here. First equation is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Second equation is y1 plus y2 is equal to 4. Okay, same thing you have to do for the remaining things also. So E is given as 4, 4. So it is x2 plus x3. So x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. So the same thing you have to do. So you will get x2 plus x3 is equal to 4 2s are 8. Same way, y1 plus y3 is equal to 4 2s are 8. Okay, so I am writing it. Third equation. So this one is third equation. x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. And fourth equation is y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. Okay, now same way F also. What is F? F given midpoint 1, 3. So that one is x1 plus x3 by 2 and y1 plus y3 by 2. Okay, so x1 plus x3 is equal to 2 1s are 2. Okay, then y1 plus y3 is equal to 3 2s are 6. So this is the fifth equation. X1 plus x3 is equal to 2. And sixth equation is y1 plus y3 is equal to 6. So these are all the six equation when I am equating the midpoint formula. Okay, but what is the thing given? We are asked to find the coordinates of A, B and C. That is the vertices of the triangle. So I am adding all the x terms together. So what are the x terms? 1, 3 and 5. These are the three equations that involves x values. So x1 plus x2, LHS and RHS I am equating. I am adding LHS and RHS. x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x1 plus x3. So when I add LHS, right side also, RHS also I will add. So when I add it, I will get 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, so here I am having two values. So 2 times of x1, 2 times of x2 and 2 times of x3. So I am taking 2 common. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 16. So 2 times of. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 value is 8. Same procedure you will do for finding y1 plus y2 plus y3 also. So second one, fourth one and sixth one I am adding. Okay. So second one is y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y1 plus y3. So when I add all these things, RHS is 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 18. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9. So from this, I have to find the coordinate points of A, B, C. That is separately I need to find the value of x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So for that one, here I have x1 plus x2. If I add, I am getting 6 as the answer. So that I am substituting it here. So x1 plus x2, when I substitute it here, my x3 value will be 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is my x3 value. Okay. Same way, x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3 is 8. x2 plus x3 value is 8. So x1 value will be 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. Same way, x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 is 2. So my x2 value is 6. 8 minus 2, 6. So the same thing you have to do here also for y. y1 plus y2 value is 4. So my y3 value is 9 minus 4, 5. Then y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3 is 8. So my y1 value is 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Then y1 plus y3 value is 6. So my y2 value is 9 minus 6, 3. So what are the coordinates? So for A, x1, y1. x1 is 0, y1 is 1. 0, 1. For B, it is x2, y2. So that is 6, 3. Then C coordinate is x3, y3. So x3 is 2 and y3 is 5. This is how you have to find the vertices of A, B and C. Okay. Second sum. Find the length of the medians AD and BE of triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B, C. So whatever is given, we will draw first A, B, C. So for A it is given 7, minus 3. For B it is 5, 3 and C it is 3, minus 1. Okay, find the length of the medians. What do you mean by median? One thing I wanted to say, lot of confusion will be there between median and the altitude. Median is when you take a triangle, the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side, when you connect, that is called the median. Okay, not necessary to be 90 degree. But when you take altitude, that is the shortest distance. That is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the opposite thing. This is the difference. Okay, so median means it connects the vertex and the opposite midpoint. So here, So here it is medians. You are asked to find the medians of AD. So obviously you will get median here. So this D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, then BE. So as usual, this is the E is the midpoint of AC. Whose vertices are so A, B, C. So you are asked to find the length of the medians AD and BE. Since it is given as the length, you have to use distance formula only. Okay, so D is the midpoint. So if you take the D as midpoint as x comma y, let D as x comma y and E as x1 comma y1. Okay, so D x comma y is equal to BC. For BC, D is the midpoint. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So when you add 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 4 comma 1. So my midpoint is D is, for D it is 4 comma 1. So D, we got the midpoint as 4 comma 1. Same thing for E also. So E is x1 y1. So it is 7 plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 minus 1 by 2. When you simplify this, you will get 10 by 2, 5 minus 4 by 2, minus 2. So this is the midpoint of 5 comma minus 2. Midpoint of AC. Okay, now they are asking you to find the length of the medians. Okay, so we will use distance formula. So we got the coordinate points of B and E, A and D. Now we will use distance formula. That is length of AD is equal to, do you remember distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So x1 you take it as 7, x1 4 minus 3. Anything you can take it as x1, anything you can take it as y1. No problem in this. So this one x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So 4 minus 7 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus plus 3 by 2 the whole square. So this one will be minus 3 the whole square plus 4 square. So this is 3 squared 9, 9 plus 4 fours are 16. So root 25, that is 5 units. So this is the length of AD. Length of AD. Then length of BE is equal to root of B and E. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this one will be root of 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 the whole square. That is 25. So that is 5 units. Okay. This is the thing they are asking you to find. Okay. Third sum. The three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A, B and C. Vertices are given. Find the coordinates of fourth vertex. So if you take a parallelogram A, B, C and D. Okay. Coordinates of A, B, C, D points are given. You are asked to find fourth vertex. So you take that as x comma y. So we know that the midpoints of the parallelogram intersect at one common point. Okay. Both the midpoints of the diagonals are equal. So with the help of that, we are going to do this. So when you find the midpoint of AC, O is the midpoint of AC and also for BD. Okay. So if you find the A and C coordinates, already it is given. So if you find the midpoint of AC, you will be getting this point. So after that, midpoint is given, one vertex is given. With that, you can find the other one also. Simple sum only. Okay. So midpoint of midpoint of AC. So midpoint of AC is, you take that as x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So A and C. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint. Okay, so this one is minus 3 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 2. So you will get the midpoint as minus 3 comma 3 by 2 comma minus 1. So this is the midpoint O. So this one we are going to equate it with BD. Okay. So this O is the midpoint of this BD also. So minus 3 comma 2 comma minus 1 is equal to, what is B point? We will take the midpoint formula for this. So B is minus 1 plus x by 2. That only you are asked to find. Minus 1 plus x by 2 and minus 3 plus y by 2. Okay, so we equate this. Minus 1 plus x by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 1. Now when you simplify, you will get x is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. This is the x coordinate. Okay, then y coordinate will be minus 3 plus y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. When you bring this minus 3 to that side, that will be plus 3. So y value is 1. So the D coordinate is minus 2 comma 1. This is the fourth vertex. This is how you have to find. For sums in exercise 7.2. From my next class, I will be doing exercise 7.3. That is based on area of the triangle formula. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please message me in the comment box. Thank you.